Greetings and welcome to the channel. In today's video we will be talking about consciousness is the only reality. It is of vital importance to understand clearly just what consciousness is. The reason lies in the fact that consciousness is the one and only reality. It is the first and only cause substance of the phenomena of life. Now, consciousness is the only reality may be one of the most well-known of Neville Goddard's phrases. Its concept may be a little tricky to grasp, especially for beginners or people just starting to get into Neville's teachings. So, in this video, I'm going to explain the concept of this phrase in just 3 minutes. Now, we are surrounded by a 3D world that affects our everyday lives. Everyone teaches us that this external world is our reality, and we should trust our senses to deliver the message within us, and that everything external can alter our moods and feelings. As a matter of fact, the opposite is true. Your external world is shaped by your internal state, and anything that manifests in the outer world is simply a mirror of your own internal world. Anything external simply is a reflection of your inner state of consciousness. Consciousness is the only reality. If the first substance is consciousness and everything started as consciousness, then everything that derives from consciousness should be consciousness. Consequently, what appears to you as circumstances, conditions, and even material objects is really only the product of your own consciousness. Neville was right. Since you are God and the creator of your own reality, you are the vital force that makes everything animated the moment you enter a state. And this state is created from your inner thoughts and concept of self. This is exactly why the external world doesn't matter. You can change anything just by changing your state. So, in order to start experiencing change internally, you should begin changing your inner state and the external world will follow. You cannot experience anything that you are not conscious of being. So, in order to start seeing a change in the outer world, turn your attention from the evidence of your senses and start changing your inner thoughts, moods and feelings, since they are the fundamentals of changing your state. This is exactly why Neville teaches that consciousness is the only reality, because external reality is simply a mirror of what's going on within yourself. And that was the end of our video. Now, if you enjoy this kind of content, feel free to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and of course turn on the notification bell. Don't forget you can always leave your suggestions and recommendations down in the comment section. Thanks for watching.